Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Virginia Killmore, and welcome to my studio. Today we are going to be looking at the new paper pumpkin that came out in November. I love this paper pumpkin. I'm going to tell you all about it, so let's get started. So, I know we've already looked at a paper pumpkin last week, but I thought it was important to start showing you that you have to order this before the 10th of the month. So this paper pumpkin again is gone, but every month the paper pumpkin's different and interesting, and I love this month's paper pumpkin. It's so adorable. It's a little gingerbread house, which I'm planning on making one with my grandbaby, so I'm super excited. But you can make gift cards, you can make boxes, you can make regular cards with the kit. I'll show you when we're done the alternative things that you can make with this paper pumpkin. And if you are already a subscriber and you like this month's paper pumpkin, even if you are on pause, you can still possibly order it and or get the refill kit. A lot of the paper pumpkins will sell refill kits. For instance, last September's kit had a great refill kit that you can order. So let's open it. I have already opened it because I couldn't resist opening it. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Now, right off the bat on the kit, there are already 2 different cards that you can make, and it gives you some information on how to do that. And you can see that I already opened the kit because it's all wrinkled and open. So I'm going to take out everything that's in the kit and set the box aside. It comes with these little envelopes so that if you do make gift cards, you can just hand them to someone and write whatever you'd like on them. I've seen people cutting these little sections apart and using them as a decorative element in the card. Now it comes with these little houses, punched out houses, and I'm going to punch one out right away for us to use, that already have some stamped imagery on it, but it also comes with some blank ones in case you want to do your own. It comes with Blushing Bride ink, and then 3 different house styles that you can use. I'll show you them all so that you can see. Each one has a different color door, and I think I'm going to use this one for our sample today, and then I'll show you some of the other things that you can do with the extra pieces. Now, in the kit, it comes with your stamp set, which I've already pre-mounted on a block, and this is the section that's sort of decorative on this front part of the gingerbread house. Let me knock out that door. You could leave that in if you didn't like the door. But what I did is I mounted it so that I can stamp in one step and get it all done in one step. There's also a cute little house that you can color and all kinds of neat little messages that you can use for your little gift tag. Actually, it's a gift envelope. It's for if you want to give like a check or a gift certificate, or even a gift card holder. That's what they call it. Oh my gosh, you know how I have trouble with words. Now I punched all of these out. These are sort of little messages that you can put on your card when you're making it, and I love these. There's 2 whole things of these little cute little decorative gems for your gingerbread house. Now I have stamped in pink, but I brought in just jade because it coordinates with this, and I thought that would be fun. Plus all these dimensionals that I've been using right along. So the first thing you're going to want to do with your kit is go ahead and fold your little tabs, and you can even glue it. Now it sends along a little thing of tear and tape. If you haven't seen me use this, I love this stuff. I would order this even without the kit. But the tear and tape is great because it's super adhesive. And I'm going to place it right on here, but not pull off the little holder. And then I would burnish it and then take it off and close it. But I'm going to hold off and get this stamped. I did decide to use just jade. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp with that. I could use the pink. It's just really super cute, but it's hard for you to see while you're looking at this. And by doing this way, I get everything stamped in one step. And look at how cute that is. And now this is going to get put on here. I could at this point, if I wanted to make it into a little candy holder, and I'll show you, this is one of the projects that I did. I turned it into a little candy holder by punching a hole in there. And now I have in here a little Ghirardelli candy mint that you could give to someone. So this becomes a gift as well as a gift card holder. So I would punch a hole right where this lines up, then I can put my ribbon through. But since we're just doing the gift card holder right now, I want you to see that process. Now at this point, I'm going to take some dimensionals, and I'm going to put approximately 5, well, no, actually exactly 5 on there. I want one right above the door to sort of support it. And I can go ahead and take these off. There, isn't that sweet? It's just so cute. Now, something I noticed just now, that the sheet that had all the pictures of the projects that you could do had little gumdrops around the house, and I couldn't figure out how they did that. And I just realized that what they probably did was take a Stampin' Blend and just color that in. And you get a cute little gumdrop just by using this little piece that you popped out of the house. So there's a cute little gumdrop. I think I'm going to add a little darkness to it on the edges, just to make it look a little more three-dimensional. And that's using my Stampin' Blends. Just going to blend that in a little bit. Doesn't that look like a little gumdrop? That can get put right here. And if you pop out a couple more, you can make more of those. I just thought that was super cute and inventive of someone to do. Now, the last thing is to put a little candy piece right here, but I want to also put my sentiment. Maybe I should do that first because that gets confusing. So let's go ahead and put on, I like more Mary. I think the hardest part is getting it straight. We'll see how good I did. Oh, I did pretty good. Now I could use very tiny dimensionals, but since this came with large ones, I might as well use the big ones. And I sort of purposely put them closer to the center so that they sort of work out. This is a great little gift for someone that you know. I'm sure that many of you have lots of people that you're not going to get to see at Christmas, and you can set this right up and put your gift card, tuck your gift card or your check right in here. Now at this point I can take this out, go ahead and close that up. I'm thinking about putting my gumdrop right up here. Yeah, I kind of like that. And then I can put 2 of those other little candy pieces right here. I'm so proud of myself. I figured that out literally as we were coming on air. I kept thinking, how did they come up with those gumdrops? Looks like my glue is not being cooperative today. There it is. There. I'm going to put the little gumdrop there, and I think I'm going to put 2 of these on here today. Probably want it on straight. 1 here. Yeah, I think I like it right about there. And 1 there. Isn't that a sweet little idea? And then all I need is one of our envelopes, which I have right here. And I now have a great little gift card to give someone. I can tuck this right in with either my check or my gift card in it and mail it off. Isn't that adorable? Love, love, love this concept. And I'm probably going to order some extras just because I think it's so cute. I'm going to see if I could show you. This is what I mean by the gumdrops. See the little gumdrops there? They're the little holes in the houses at the top that come from these little houses. It's only the center one that has them, but I think it's super cute. So let's look at some of the alternative kits, things that you can do with a kit. I showed you this one, which is a Ghirardelli holder. And this is literally the same thing we just did. The only thing I did different was I poked a hole in the brown part so that once I popped out the hole, I could put the ribbon through. The ribbon goes all the way through to the bottom of the Ghirardelli holder. Ghirardelli, see how it's just a loop? And then I just tuck this right in and push it down and tie it off in a cute manner. I think I'm going to pull this down a little bit. There. Doesn't that look, that's super cute. You can put that on someone's desk or even in the envelope and hand it out to them. I also made a card. I used some pine trees from, what's that? Is that Rooted in Nature? And I just stamped them all over and then put a little house on there and the word Happy Holidays. Probably from a different set, but just a great card. And what's nice about this is you're going to be able to cut out 2 houses. So you cut this in half and you cut that off, and then you've got 2 houses to make 2 cards. So you'll be able to make double of what you can make if you just make them into gift cards. And then my favorite thing that I did is this little box. You see how it's all loaded with candy? And what it is 2 card sets, decorated and all done. And then I filled it with some goodies to give to someone. So this is for someone super special. The process for that is to take a 2 7/8 piece of cinnamon cider cardstock, and you're going to score it and cut it to make your base. I scored it at 1/4 inch all the way around, and then I just cut this right to here. And then I'm going to make my box. And then I just glue these little tabs in here. You can use the glue dots that came in the kit. That's the easiest. That's what I used. I'll do one so that you can see. Let me get my pokey tool because glue dots are easier with pokey tools. The nice thing about the glue dots that come with the kit is they're small. So they're going to fit in there better than these big ones that I have. But I'm going to go ahead and quickly get this done so that you can see the process. So now I've got my adorable little box. My base. And now I'm just going to take 2 of these houses. And I'm going to fold the tabs, and I will glue one on each side like this, and then glue another one right around. Make sure that the tabs line up here so that your box is closed off. Then I just put a little tissue and some candy in there, and I of course decorated it like I did before. Super easy, super fun, and I have even given you some of those measurements so that you'll have them for the different things that I made. I hope you enjoyed that today. Before I forget, I want to remind you that tomorrow there is a sale at Stampin' Up. Let me pull this up so that you can see it. The sale is only 24 hours. Everything in the annual catalog will be on sale with a few exclusions. If you're interested, I will post that exclusion shortly. If you're on my email list, you should have gotten that information already. And lastly, if you're interested in Paper Pumpkin, this is where you would go to do that, and I'll give you my username or how you would sign up using me as your demo. So you just go to paperpumpkin.com, and then you put in, you can either pick me as your demo or put all this information in, and you can subscribe through me. Don't forget to use this code this month if you want to help out a hostess. And I hope you had a great day and you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching with me today, and I hope to see you tomorrow.